Alright, y'all, it's a new day. I've got the measurements. I think what I want to do, there's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the farmer.
Follow U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo. What?
Before I start demolishing this, because that'll be my very next step, and I'm kind of still nervous about this, really. What I want to do is go ahead and start rebuilding small sectional pieces of this. Today I want to concentrate on rebuilding the nose section. I gotta take the tarp off so you guys can see, but I want to build this section here that goes across the nose here, and then the top section that goes along all the way up to the roof. I'm going to build those two sections today, and yeah, I gotta take this tarp off. It rained. I don't know how much stuff got wet, but oh well. I covered it as best as I could with what I had. I didn't really have a really good plan when it came to the rain. Should have, but I didn't. So after today, I'm going to go ahead and get a couple more tarps. 2 more big tarps like this one. See, this one covers the whole thing front to back. I need 2 more. Maybe not quite that big, but to put underneath this tarp to protect the windows on both sides. But anyway, yeah, before I really start demolishing this, I want to try and start rebuilding some of the pieces for it, and get an idea of how this is put together, because as many pictures and videos of my phone on this camera and notes that I've written down, I want to make sure that I do this as close to the original build design as possible. So today I'm going to start building a couple sections so that I can get started on that. I got my table saw out and set up. Oh gosh, the tarp is shedding some water. I don't know how bad it rained. I couldn't tell. It rained overnight, but got clear skies now, and there's cushions inside here. Let's see. They don't feel wet. Maybe the cushions are not wet. I need to get those cushions out. Start taking stuff apart, like taking things out on the inside, like the microwave. You can't see it, but the microwave, I want to take that out also. But anyway, y'all, keep getting overwhelmed with this. I've got to take it one step at a time. I have to remind myself to slow down. I have to slow down and do one step at a time. One step at a time. All right. Okay, I'm good. All right, I've got my wood here. I'm gonna start cutting these pieces down to size with my table saw and start making these sections. And this section here has got a angle piece right here. Where are we at? Right there. That's got an angle to it. So I need to recreate that angle there and going down into here. I'm not sure if that's got an angle on it. On this end, on the bed side, it does, but this side, I don't know if it has an angle or not. I have to go back and look at some pictures and see if I have a picture of that. But anyway, all right, enough talking. Let's start doing. All right, y'all, I'm gonna cut a test piece to make sure my measurements on my table saw are set up correctly. I have to be as precise as possible with this because the metal does not stretch if my measurements are off. So I need to be as close as possible. So I'm going to use a test piece, check my measurements, and then start cutting that 2x4. I got a little test piece right there. Trying to get this angle cut correct. All right, it looks close enough. We'll see. Okay, I got this on there, so now I'm just gonna test fit it and make sure it's facing the right way. Oh, now I need to cut the cross pieces. I need to figure out those measurements and how many. Okay, let me check my notes and we'll see how many cross pieces I need and the length of those. I have a different length than what I actually see on here, but like I said, it's hard to take it precise measurements because it's crumbling, it's falling apart. So all I can do is the best I can do. All right, yeah, let's do this. I'm going to take another one of those pieces and cut it, and then my cross sections are 8 3/4 inch. So I need to take another 2x4 and cut it down. All right, y'all, here's my first dilemma. I don't know what to do. All right, so I got a piece here that's really short in between this top section here, this bottom section here. Yeah, you see that? But now I got a long piece right here, and I don't even understand how this attaches. I mean, there's nothing left of this, so I can't tell what to do. I can't tell. Like, oh, this is so confusing. And there's nothing left on this piece here at the bottom. There's a piece up here, a little piece there, but then there's nothing left down here, so I don't know how that was attached. And this piece right here, it looks like it goes there like that, but I mean, it's so broken, it's hard to put it back like the way it was. This top part is pretty solid, but when I come down here, I mean, this, oh gosh, I don't even know how this was put together, and I don't know. Like, why is there a long piece here, very long piece here, and a short piece there? Like, this is tricky, very tricky. Not quite sure what to do. And on this end, there's nothing left of it. There's just this little section here, then the rest, all of that's gone, and then there's nothing there on this end because that's totally all gone. It just crumbled and fell apart. Tricky business, this. Yeah. I think what I'm gonna do is make the pieces in between the short pieces. Make these short. I think I'll do that. Alright, I got that bottom section made, partially made, and now I'm going to work on this top section right here. after a lot of mistakes. There were many. I finally got my 2 frames. Alright. Slowly getting there. Next video, I'll be taking off the rest of the siding of the camper and working out the rest of this bed frame, because I can tell where it ends out here, but I can't tell where it ends on the inside. So I'm going to have to get inside, take the carpet off, and figure that measurement out. And also need to go get some 1x4s. So I'll get some 1x4s for this section here, which that goes all the way here, which is in the kitchen side. And then it's probably got, I don't know, probably 1.5 feet. So I'm guessing that's going to be the main thing, but I got to take that carpeting off right there. It's all faded. It's supposed to be, or it was green, but it's like a faded yellow. It's really gross. So I'm going to have to do that. And making some progress. Alright, y'all, if you haven't already, click that like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next video. Bye.